Do you feel like your home's air conditioners are running at full capacity, yet your rooms are still hot? Do you touch your walls at night and find them warm like a furnace storing heat?
Turning dreams into reality.
At Handesly, we consider thermal insulation the true soul of a building. Without proper insulation, you're not building a home, you're building a thermal box that drains your budget through electricity bills. This isn't just about adding a layer of foam, it's the science of thermal resistance, or R value, and how to break thermal bridges that slowly destroy your comfort and overwork your appliances. Today, we'll dive deep into walls and roofs for 2026. We'll talk about rock wool, aerated concrete, and external insulation systems, EIFs, and why insulating your roof is twice as important as insulating your walls. Get ready, your home is about to become a cool oasis with minimal effort. To defend your home, you must understand how the enemy attacks. Conduction. Heat travels through solid materials. If your wall is made of standard concrete blocks, it acts like a wire transferring the sun's heat straight to the interior surface. Thermal bridges are the most dangerous enemy at Handesly. These are areas without insulation, like concrete columns and beams. Concrete transfers heat up to 4 times faster than brick, so insulation must cover the entire structure, not just the walls. Radiation, heat entering through windows, will cover that in the glazing section.
But remember, an insulated wall can reduce heat transfer by up to 80% compared to an uninsulated one. Types of insulation materials. What should you choose? Not all materials are equal in performance. Polystyrene, EPS, XPS, the most common in the Gulf. Extruded, blue foam, is stronger and insulates better than expanded, white foam, because it resists moisture and handles pressure. Rock wool, the king of insulation at Handesly, a natural material made from volcanic rock. Its biggest advantage? It's completely fire-resistant, provides both thermal and acoustic insulation, and is naturally pest-resistant. Polyurethane, spray foam, the smartest solution for roofs and hard-to-reach corners. It's applied as a liquid that expands to seal every gap and crack, completely preventing air leakage. The double wall system, the cavity wall strategy. This is the gold standard for luxury villas. Composition: outer wall, 10 centimeters, plus insulation layer, 5 centimeters, plus inner wall, 15 centimeters. Benefits: the insulation is fully protected inside the wall from moisture and sunlight. The small air gap also acts as an epoxy layer of insulation. Lifespan: this system lasts as long as the building itself, requires no maintenance, and offers excellent sound insulation from outside noise. If you can only insulate one area, make it the roof. Direct exposure: the roof takes direct sunlight all day. At Handesly, we use insulation thickness of at least 7 to 10 centimeters of high-density polystyrene.
Inverted roof system. Placing thermal insulation above the waterproofing layer protects it from expansion and contraction cracks, extending waterproofing lifespan from 5 years to up to 20 years. Reflective coatings. Cool roofs. Painting the roof with reflective white coating can instantly reduce surface temperature by up to 15 degrees Celsius. Is your home old and uninsulated? No need for demolition. The EIFS system is the 2026 solution. We wrap the entire building externally with an insulating layer. Eliminates thermal bridges. This system covers columns and structural elements from the outside, preventing heat from entering the structure. No space loss. You don't lose any interior space because the insulation is external. Facade upgrade. You get powerful insulation and a completely renewed exterior look in one step. Why are we so persistent about insulation at Handesly? Smaller AC units. In an insulated home, you may need a 2-ton AC instead of 4-ton, saving thousands in upfront costs. Thermal comfort. Insulation keeps wall temperatures close to indoor air temperature, eliminating radiant heat or cold draft effects, improving sleep quality and overall comfort. Structural protection. Insulation reduces expansion and contraction in concrete, minimizing cracks in plaster and paint. At Handesly, the math is simple. Good thermal insulation costs about $5 to $10 per square meter. If your home requires $3,000 worth of insulation, you could save around $800 per year on electricity bills. That means insulation pays for itself in just 4 years and continues saving you money for the lifetime of the home. It's the only real estate investment that guarantees a 100% return, starting almost immediately. Remember, your home is your shield against the elements. Make your walls a barrier, not a bridge for heat. Insulation isn't a cost, It's comfort you buy once and enjoy forever. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because in the next video, we'll explore something straight out of science fiction: smart glass. How your window can switch from transparent to opaque at the push of a button. Goodbye, traditional curtains. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Let's make your homes smarter and more beautiful.
Turning dreams into reality.